Aloha Kauai. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Monday, May 18th. Our cumulative number of confirmed cases remains at 21, and all cases have now recovered or left the island. This means we have no confirmed active cases of COVID-19 on Kauai at this time. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency or KEMA site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated at noon every day. Back in March, the County of Kauai announced the launch of its Kupuna Care Farmer Fair program, which helped our Sunshine Market vendors by purchasing their produce and then delivering the produce at no cost to our kupuna in need here on Kauai. Today, we are excited to announce that our partners, the Office of Economic Development, Agency on Elderly Affairs, and the Hawaii Food Bank Kauai chapter has a new funding partner, as it just received an additional $150,000 from the Community Development Block Grant, or CDBG grant. This funding allows us to extend our produce delivery program for another 8 weeks. Kupuna that are currently in the program and being serviced may call 241-4299 to verify their address and phone number is correct. Or if they wish to be removed, they may also let us know. If you are a kupuna 70 years or older and are interested in receiving a Kupuna Care package, please call the Economic Development Office at 241-4299 to be enrolled. The office will accept Kupuna Care calls between the hours of 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tuesday, May 19th to Thursday, May 21st, and again on Tuesday, May 26th to Thursday, May 28th. The program starts June 1st and will run for 8 weeks. Mahalo to the Hawaii Food Bank Kauai chapter, the Office of Economic Development, and the many volunteers for your continued participation in this program, and also to the local farmers who have been providing all the produce for us to deliver to our kupuna across the island. Another effort led by Nalani Brune and the Office of Economic Development team is the County of Kauai Loan Program in partnership with the Kauai Government Employees Federal Credit Union. Since our announcement 2 weeks ago, more than 100 Kauai families have submitted applications for the Emergency Funds Loan Program. Loans of $131,000 have been approved and more are being processed. The program offers financial counseling to all Kauai residents, and for those who qualify, personal loans of up to $10,000. The 5-year loans are offered at 0% interest with payments deferred for the first 5 months, and there are no application fees. The program is targeted at households that may not have been able to access other government loan programs, including self-employed individuals, independent contractors, taxi or service industry drivers, small business owners, and gig workers. To apply, visit the KGEFCU website at www.kgefcu.org/loan Kauai. One of the questions we often receive is whether or not people are allowed to visit grave sites during the governor's Safer at Home order, and the answer is yes. People may visit grave sites so long as you are with people you live with in a group no more than 10 and wearing masks, and social distancing is maintained with people you do not live with. As we approach Father's Day and Memorial Day, we felt this was an important clarification for those who may be confused. Additionally, the governor's most recent proclamation allows for burial services with the same guidelines in place, groups of no more than 10, wearing masks with social distancing maintained at all times. We had an awesome Saturday in Hanapepe with the Kauai Independent Food Bank and the Hawaii Food Bank Kauai chapter distributing food boxes. Mahalo to our partners, Alaska Airlines, Kauai Ice, the State District Health Office, Kauai Police Department, Kauai Fire Department, Hawaii National Guard, the Department of Parks and Recreation, and many volunteers. We're looking forward to our next food distribution this Saturday, May 23rd at the Brian J. Baptiste Sports Complex in Kapa'a, and again on May 30th on the North Shore, with a site to be determined. We also like to recognize the many other organizations who are helping to feed people during this time. KPD's Pastors, Pancakes, and Platters effort with my friend Pastor John Cabello and New Hope Lihue helped to distribute 600 breakfast platters at Puakea Golf Course. And they also made a special delivery to our houseless community at Lidgate. Lava Lava Beach Club has been regularly feeding their staff during their closure. The West Side and North Shore communities have been organizing several food distribution programs for their neighbors in need, and Pop Honor hosted food distributions island-wide over the weekend. The outpouring of support for one another during this difficult time is truly overwhelming, and our love and gratitude goes out to each and every one of you who is making a positive difference in the lives of others. From making masks to distributing food and supplies, you are the meaning of aloha, and we thank you. And finally, today, we'd like to give a brief recap on beaches. As you know, our beaches were reopened on Friday, May 15th, which allowed people to visit our beaches. For a 2-week trial period, people are allowed to sit, lie, and sunbathe on our beaches with certain rules in place, such as staying with members of your own household only in a group of no more than 10, and maintaining your physical distance from anyone you do not live with. Further, people are asked to refrain from barbecues and potlucks, as that usually leads to gathering with people outside of your household, and we know that sharing food is one way to spread the virus. KPD, DLNR, DoCare officers, and National Guard personnel, with the help of our lifeguards, helped us to monitor our beaches over the weekend to see how we did. Lifeguards reported over 14,000 people at lifeguarded beaches over the weekend, as people were eager to get back on the beach. For the most part, people were following the guidelines in place. However, there were concerns with people who are not in the same household who are hanging together on beaches and in pavilions, and lots of barbecues and potlucks. Again, the reason why potlucks are discouraged is because we know that people who share food and those not in your household can spread the virus. So please, folks, we want to continue to keep our beaches open. We want to continue to reopen business and activities. But in order to do that, we have to be committed to keep each other safe while we move more freely around in our community. This means stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Do not leave home if you're sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. We're going to get through this, Kauai. Be kind, take care of one another. God bless, and aloha.